I was here first.
It doesn't matter. I'm here now.
And I'm ready to tell my story. This human always keeps this thing closed.
Not before you got here.
We have no food. You know, this generation of owners are not like how they used to be. I have to get my son to help me with the things that I cannot do.
Hey, lady, change this garbage now!
Oh, son, she did not hear you.
What? Where do you think you're going? Well, I'm going with you.
Because my owner wants to withhold food from me and be on her own time, I should do the same.
Can I be on my own time?
Oh, you're just a kitten. You're not ready yet.
I am.
I'm
ready.
for them to get out.
Oh, you didn't mean that. He didn't mean that.
It sure does sound like it.
Maybe he did.
Make sure everything is proper.
I'm on it.